Across the state, more than 5,500 people are currently in the hospital with COVID. That is the highest number of hospitalizations since February. And again, many doctors and nurses are feeling overwhelmed.
KRON 4's Michelle Kingston takes a look at how hospital staff, how they were feeling before the state reopened and how they're feeling right now.
You know, now we're back at full capacity again, and nurses and doctors and respiratory therapists are exhausted. We've had to do double shifts, extra shifts.
Tammy Bacecki is an ICU nurse at Kaiser in Walnut Creek, where the number of COVID patients is rising. They're seeing upwards of 35 patients a day.
It's hard because there's just not enough resources, and we're just not having what we need to properly care for our patients who need so much more from us right now.
In late spring, the number of COVID patients at Kaiser and Walnut Creek was down to 0, but now they're climbing right back up to where they were when COVID first hit. It's a similar situation at UCSF. In late May and June, they had a number of days where there was just one patient hospitalized with COVID. Today, 39 patients are fighting the virus there, and 12 are on ventilators. 17 are in critical care. Just before July 4th, KRON 4 interviewed a UCSF nurse and the chief of emergency medicine. Both were optimistic about where the Bay Area was headed.
When I heard that we were going to have access to the vaccine, just the words hope just flashed across my eyes.
A weight is lifted, that this isn't something that we have to continue to deal with. It looks like things are going to kind of hold steady and that we're through the worst of this.
That sense of optimism has now shifted. Relief and hope now back to frustration and fear.
We're only going to get out of this by working together, and I know people are frustrated and they're tired because we've been in this so long, and they're tired of isolating and they're tired of things being closed down. But it's only going to get worse unless we do what we need to do to really put a stop to it.
Michelle Kingston, KRON 4 News.